I swear they're disabling my fucking video right now. I took like 3 videos. I was trying to capture the leaky faucet from the raindrops over here in between the houses. It's really bad, bro. Really bad. I don't know where the sensor is, but it's fucking evil. I don't know if my neighbor's here. It's just directional speakers. Menacing was stalking. He's bound. Clickers. I don't care if he was African or native, melanin. I don't care. You can't play that game with my people. You gotta grow the fuck up with your outdated sociology with American law, with weaponized psychiatry. That shit outdated. It's old news to the world. United Nations looking at America like, really? When are you gonna fucking stop? He's got more lithium. Fuck.